Hello, in this video I will show you how to move a folder of applications, files, etc. into a folder on the left side of the dock. So as you may know, if you make a new folder, and you can put whatever you want in it, but if you try and move it down to the dock, you can only put it on the right side of the dock. If you try and put it on the left side with the other applications, you cannot do that. You have to drag it on the right side of the separator on the dock near the trash can. But what if you want a folder of your favorite applications and you want to put it on the left side of the dock where all your other applications are? Well, in this video I will show you how to do that so you can move it on the left side of the dock. So for this example, let's say you have multiple applications that you want to have in your dock, but you don't want, say, 20 different icons in the dock. You just want like a folder of them, so you can simply click the folder and you can have all your favorite applications in one spot versus going through the applications folder and scrolling through all of them and finding the one you want. This would be great if you just had a few applications that you use frequently but did not want to keep in the dock. Or for example, you could make a folder called iLife and put in iTunes, iPhoto, iDVD, iMovie, etc. all into one folder versus having all of their icons in the dock. So let's get started. You'll need to make a new folder somewhere on your hard drive that you will be putting these applications, documents, etc. into. Then we are basically going to set up a shortcut to that folder in the dock. You cannot move the original folder into the dock. It's a shortcut, so you'll need to have the original folder somewhere on your hard drive. It can be anywhere. For example, right now I'm just going to put it in my home folder. And as you can see, I'm just going to label it My Most Used Apps. And I'm going to open up that folder. And this is where you'll want to put your applications or documents, etc. I've already done this. As you can see, I did it beforehand called Most Used Apps Test. So I'm going to select these 10 items and I'll just copy and paste them into the new folder we just made just for these example purposes. So we'll wait for these to copy. Okay, so I copied those 10 applications into the new folder we just created, and then now we need to move that folder down to the dock. But again, if you try, as you'll see, you cannot just move it there. You would have to move it onto the right, so we are going to trick the operating system into thinking that this folder is actually an application. So to do that, select the folder, and then you can go to File, Get Info, or push Command-I. In this window, you'll need to expand the section called Name and Extension. Right now it says My Most Used Apps. This is a folder because it does not have an extension. To make this folder an application, we need to add .app onto the end of the file name. So now we made this folder an application. And if you try and open it, you'll see that you cannot open the application My Most Used Apps because it's not supported on this architecture. That is because is not actually an application. So now we need to convert the application we made back into a folder. So go back to the original location where you made this folder and do a Command-I, or go to File, Get Info, and then simply delete the .app on the end of your file name. You will get this message saying that, are you sure you want to remove the extension .app? In this case, you want to click Remove because we do want to remove it and turn it back into a folder. So click on the icon you just moved into the dock. You'll see that it turned into a folder and opened. Congratulations, you just made a folder of applications on the left side of the dock. As far as I know, this folder will remain in the dock until you remove it. If you remove it, you will have to go through this whole process again of renaming the folder into an application and then back into a folder to be able to successfully move it back to the left side of the dock. Otherwise, enjoy your new folder full of applications. Thank you for watching my video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching and have a nice day.